Alright guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Alright, it's nice having you all after a series of a very long period. It's about 3 years now, or about 3 years plus, or 4 years that I have been active in this channel. Alright, so basically this channel is all about trading. Alright, whereby I'll drop my analysis, alright, and show you my sentiment on various pairs. Basically, I don't trade much pairs, so I trade about 4 pairs, right? But I'm going to show you my bias for the pair, any pair that's actually that I'm actually watching out for, right? So now GG, what basically I will basically do is I trade price action, alright, and to start with, I start with the higher time frame, alright, to just know the overall bias of the market. So looking at the monthly, I start from the monthly, weekly, and I scale down to daily, alright. Then I scale down to daily time frame so that I can actually look for the overall bias of the market, right? The monthly is just going to show me the overall trend, what's the market doing, right? Then I come down to the weekly to see the trend more clearer. Then I scale down to daily time frame to actually find the intermediate trend, all right? Because the daily time frame might go against the trend, okay? So I will try to break it down for you all to understand, and I'll make it very clear, all right? So now, looking at the monthly time frame, you know that GJ is actually bullish, right? GJ is bullish, right? If you can see from here, it has been going, it has been bullish, and in a bullish sentiment or in a bullish picture, you know that there is a period of higher highs and higher lows, right? Now if you look at the chart now, you see that price has been going upwards, all right, moving from higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, just like this. You understand? Just like this. Okay, now looking at this more clearer, you know that GJ is actually in a very bullish trend. Now you come down to the weekly time frame. Now coming down to the weekly time frame, what can you see? So what I can see basically is the price has surpassed this level. Price has surpassed this level. This level. Price has surpassed this level, alright, and goes up and comes down. You understand? So what I can actually see here is, if you look closely to the price action, you see price came here, came, just like an M pattern. You see an M pattern, just like this. Sorry, just like this. Sorry, just like this. You understand? So that's how the pattern is. Now you watch closely to the price action, you see price has broken this place, alright? You understand? This is actually a support. This is actually a support. This is actually a support, and price broke from here, alright? So the weekly time frame is actually telling me that yes, GJ is still bullish. Do you understand? Because it has surpassed this level. It has surpassed this level actually. It has passed this level. Sorry, it has passed this level. It has passed this level, okay? That is just like this. Who is this now? So it has passed this level, you understand? Something like this. I'm sorry. Something like this. You understand? To show that yes, GJ is actually bullish. Okay. I'm sorry for the noises that you might hear. Alright, I'm just starting, so I would like you all to subscribe if you found this content more educative, because I'll be dropping more content. Alright, so now moving ahead, you know that yeah, price has actually surpassed this level. So your next skill level with this. All right, that's where your next skill level is. So you just, that's how I trade. I just put a dotted line. I put a line here as well. Okay, just to guide me. Then I'll come to the daily time frame to see more. Basically, monthly is actually telling me buys, weekly is telling me buys. Now, to now confirm my bullish sentiment that yes, GJ wants to buy exactly. Now, what I'll be looking for in that daily time frame is just higher highs and higher lows. Like, I'll be looking for a trending pattern. Now, if you look here now, you see that yes, it has been trending. All right, from here, from this downwards, and it consolidates here, then went up, went down. That's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, because price fails to break this low here. You get price fails to break this low. You understand? So you start moving upwards. Do you understand? So that's it. Now if you look closely here, this is a W pattern, right? Now there's a patterns that I actually watch out for, a very profitable patterns, alright? But that will be in my next video. So make sure you subscribe and share this video to your friends for them to benefit, alright? I'll be dropping amazing content, alright? Just like this you're watching, alright? And also drop your comment on what you think about this as well. So now this is my area of interest, alright? Now you see price actually breaks this W pattern, alright, to confirm yes, exactly, that's a bullish sentiment. Okay, so now what I basically do again is to bring my Fibonacci, which is very, very important. So I take it from the swing low to the swing high. Right, Fibonacci is actually one of the tools I actually use in just like a conference. Now if you look now, the fib level from this low to this high, you can see the retracement. The retracement is exactly this. Why did I say is this? Because it lies in the gap of 0.5 and 0.618. You can see it aligns with the structure. You can see the structure in terms of resistance here, then came up, that's broke up and turned support here. Do you understand? So that's the reason why I put it there. Now moving further, so I represent this as a box. You understand? Just to guide you. You understand? Then I come back to the 4-hour time frame. This is my entry, right? 4 hours is actually my entries. So what I basically do is now look at the patterns very, very well. Okay. So in this kind of pattern, so my entries will be here. Basically this where price retraced, alright? And I'm looking for short of now. Now I'm looking for my entries. So now my entries will be here. Why did I choose here? Because of what? Price actually broke here, then went up and retested. So I'm actually in a buy for GJ, which is here. Okay, yes. So yes, I'm actually in a buy, which is here. Okay. So my TP is actually here, right? Just like a swing trade, and my stop loss is here. My stop loss is about here. That's about 50 pips. So that's about 50. That's about 51 pips. So I'm actually on the buy on GJ. So what can you? So that's actually my my entry. Alright, that's basically my entry. But if you want to know more about my entries and my exits, alright, I'll be dropping more videos just like this you're watching. Alright, make sure you subscribe if you find this video helpful, and also share to your friends as well. Thank you.